Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 7 with SB1, and whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit, this matters for installer choice. Once done, open Control Panel, then Programs and Features to see your Office entry. Make sure you are signed into the Microsoft account tied to your Office license, otherwise, activation may fail. Now, close Excel and any Office apps so files aren't locked. Next, prepare the installer or update package for Office 2010, 2013, or 2016 as applicable. You download the correct Office installer or update package matching your version and bitness because mismatches cause errors. Once downloaded, right-click and run as administrator. This elevates permissions so files can be replaced. Choose Update if available or Repair to refresh program files and registry entries. Repair often resolves corruption. While it runs, keep your internet connection active to fetch patches. Make sure Windows Update components are enabled. Otherwise, certain Office updates may not apply. Finally, reboot when prompted to finalize file changes. You finish by opening Excel and checking File, Account to confirm the updated version, and that updates are enabled. If activation or sign-in fails, re-enter your product key or sign into the exact Microsoft account tied to the license. This often resolves activation errors. If the installer fails or Excel crashes, run the official Office uninstall/support tool to remove remnants, then reinstall using the correct installer. One troubleshooting tip: if updates still fail, disable third-party antivirus temporarily, then re-enable it after a successful install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.